Alright, I should be streaming. Yeah. Yeah, we're up. We are up in this hoe. We are back testing and shit. Hold on. I look emo as hell. My hair's cooked. I also look weird as hell. This shit being like that. That's better. Three concurring viewers. 3 of them. What's good? Let me fucking. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. So, I'm gonna be back testing. Oh, no concurrent viewers. Let me make a fucking TikTok. So I gotta post that I'm live. Shit, hold on. Warning, the current frame rate is too high. I don't know how to fix that. It's whatever. I think that's my username. I don't remember my YouTube username. Whip trades. That's my ad. Okay. Alright, type. Yo, what's good? I see that. You got 50 XP. Jesus. Jesus, bro, you brought up the chat rate to 13. I don't know what the fuck that means. But you did it. I guess it's chats per fucking second or some shit, or chats per minute. Brother. Are you still upstate? Did you come home? I don't even know. I don't remember when you said you were coming. No. Got home today. I'll type shit. Like 3-ish. Like 6 or 7. Like 6 or 7-ish. Hold on, let's look at NASDAQ. Let's look at both of these. Yeah, so if I took a trade today, because I was bullish, but I was also kind of like hesitant as fuck today. I looked back, saw this 1 minute fair value gap, equilibrium, tap into it, and yeah, I would have hit my take profits, most of them. I would have had it all the way at Asia highs. So fucking partial 1, partial 2, partial 3, and then partial 4. But if I took it on ES, full partials or full profits. But not gonna get it. Not even gonna worry about that. Hold on, I gotta do some. Add as moderator. I think I just set you as a moderator. So give a little type. Say something. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, your name is Blue. Oh. Do I go live on TikTok as well? And just be like, join my join my live! Join my live! I might do that. Or I'll just go live and then I'll just have my phone propped up like this. Back here. Or some. I just gotta make sure my phone doesn't go off. Can I even go live on my phone? I don't think I can. Oh, I can. I'll join on my phone. Type. I just gotta get it set up if I'm gonna do it on my phone. Settings. Mobile gaming. How do I trying to figure out how to. Oh, there we go. Oh shit, I almost went live by accident without getting it set up. No, like this is gonna be hella weird. I might as well just pop it up on my pills. Like that. If I do it like this. Oh, my phone's gonna die. It's whatever. I think. Okay, yeah, we're definitely live. Alright, type shit. Type shit. Live on both YouTube and Twitch. Or not Twitch. Motherfucking TikTok or whatever the hell. type. Let me put like a text or some shit. Can I put a text? Or I'll just pin. I'll pin a comment. Can I pin this? Pin this comment. There we go. There we go. Alright, now I don't have to worry about my phone. Type shit. I won't be able to see any of TikTok's comments. Unless I like, hold on, let me try something. Let me try something real quick. There we go. Alright, yeah, now I can see y'all's comments because I got it pulled up on my I have it pulled up on my computer as well, and I can see what my shit looks like. Let me have that watch like this so that people see it and they're like, oh my god. Dude, the sound probably is cooked. Anthony, is the sound cooked on TikTok? Can you like hear me good? I could see if you're commenting on TikTok, so. Oh, the TikTok is so delayed. Is it really? No, it's good. Hold on, bro. Word. Yeah, the sound is good though. Okay, word. That's because it's propped up on my pill bottle right now. Let me get rid of all these. Like delayed to this. Yeah, probably really delayed to fucking YouTube. I don't know how to fix that. Not gonna lie. If you could just start spamming it with likes, that would be pretty valid. Did you make a YouTube post? No. I'm not gonna get a lot of traction off of YouTube. TikTok is where it's at. TikTok is where it's at. But if they have post noties on, they'll see. 3 people joined in off rip. On YouTube. Let me time skip. Zero viewers. That is so skibbity. Hold on. I'm about to go into my live and just start spamming. Oh, I got 1 viewer. That's funny as hell. Oh, my phone is slipping. There we go. Okay, let's look at draws on liquidity. We are obviously bullish on this day. Just going up, so let's go back here and look for some draws. Got this. We have this up here. Let's look for it on ES as well. So I have this right here. That'd be first TP. Real close to that. 4 hour. Possibly reverse off of this. Hour on this. Need to come fill this in. Okay, 15-minute on each indexes. We have London highs. We have these 15-minute highs. Actually, I don't really give a shit. I have those highs marked out. Those are old draws on liquidity. Holy shit, bud. I see you're spamming it. Holy shit. Type. Alright. Let's see us go down, touch into there. Then yeah. Wait, 5 minutes. Hold on, I gotta make this bigger so that I could see if anybody's like actually shit. Jesus. My God. All right, there we go. Bro, wait. Oh nah, that's OD as hell. Oh, brother. All right, there we go. Now it's good. Alrighty. So makes a higher high. This makes a lower high. Alright, so NASDAQ is consolidating pretty much. $9.50. We had 8:30 news and we had 10 a.m. So we got manipulation. We haven't even created it. Hold on. No. Not yet. We do have this. Alright, let's go down to the 1 minute on ES. Actually, back to the 5 minute, there might be a fair value gap. We have this. We could possibly fill. The range of this. Once that candle closes. Okay, that's the range. And then we have a fair value gap in here. Very small, but still a fair value. Oh, wait. We got inverse fair value gap. Let's get a touch in, and then let's get a buy. So around here actually is probably my ideal entry. So we get a touch in. Yeah, try interacting with the TikTok. Well, I can't really. It's hard to see on my phone. I'm live on YouTube if you want to interact and shit. It's gonna be hard as hell to see on my phone, but I'm backtesting NQ and ES right now. E-mini futures and whatnot. So we got some buy power out. Alright, I'm entering. I'll have it underneath the fair value, the inverse fair value gap. Oh shit. That's really, really big. I'll just aim for London highs. Let me have it underneath that. Let's have those 15-minute highs marked out actually. Thank you. I'm getting into the space myself. Yeah, it's pretty valid. It's valid as fuck. Day trading is crazy. It really messed my head up with like having an actual job. Cause bro, I can make thousands of dollars like that. I can lose thousands of dollars like that. It's insane. It's insane. Holy shit, Anthony, you spammed the like button 1.3k times. That's insane. Holy shit. That's insane. So we got buy out of it, buy power out of it. Oh, that's really, it's whatever. Let me write it down. Feeling confident about this. So TP1, TP2, TP3. Unless we just reverse off of this, because we were just going higher, but we should just continue. Yep. Ooh, I low-key forgot we had 10 a.m. news. That was pretty, that was dumb of me. I have a habit of that, not gonna lie. Alright, 50%. 50% plus 3, 6, 9. plus break even. Break even. It's either I get broke even now, or we bull run to my second and third take profit. Let me go by 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna get broke even. Yeah, I just got literally just tapped. Oh, that's cooked. I still made profits on it. That's all that really matters. But I do think I want to see if I was correct in my bias with going up to London highs. Could have probably gotten a better entry and fixed my yeah, whatever. My fucking, I could have definitely had it like right. Yeah, but it's whatever. It is what it is. I didn't. Okay, yeah, broke even on that. Let's go by the minute. Let's see. So we came back just barely touching this fair value gap. What was that, a 15 fucking hour? No, 5 minute? Shit. Yeah, 5 minute. Just barely touching into it. My phone is at 20. That's cooked. Then yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I would have been able to take full profits if I had a better entry, but yeah, I mean, shit, it do be what it do be. It's backtesting at the end of the day. Shit. What did I take that on? ES. I thought it was better to have a teacher than trying to figure out all the clickbait and stuff. Bro, low-key, I mean, yeah, I did the TJR boot camp and shit. That shit was valid. TJR's videos are valid. He's got a lot of informational videos, I think. Oh shit, hold on. I had to see if my thing was Erica Hope that who is this? Should I accept this co-host? I'm gonna accept it. Hello? Oh, hold on. I gotta put my headphones on. Hello? What's up? Okay. I'm gonna go back to backtesting. How do I kick someone? Dog. Dog. Yo. What the hell was that, yo? What was that, bro? I'm not trying to talk to nobody. I'm just trying to do my own thing, bro. Yo, what the hell? I'm not trying to talk to nobody. Dude, that was weird as hell. What they saying, bro? I'm back on TikTok if you want to join up. He was just talking about how she wants to have a normal person to talk to, and it's like, bro, I'm in the middle of doing something. Why go do something on your own? What the hell, bro? Bro, exactly, bro. Alright, just start spamming it again. Cause I need those mad people were joining, not gonna lie. Just from you spamming. But yeah, I'm about to show you. Look at this is so this is my these are the two what is it? What is it called? The two backtesting sessions here. I'll show you. So this one and this one combined. So let me pull it up. So in as you can see, because the one of them, the one that I'm on right now, this one started at May 10th. So that was like when that's where I ended off on that one, and I just did this one. But yeah, that's off topic. In total, I'm up 13K on it just by using pretty much like, bro. I'm on. I don't think I lost a single day this week. Yeah, I didn't lose a single day of this backtesting session or this backtesting week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I broke even on some of them, but still, I didn't lose like all of them, which is pretty valid, not gonna lie. But as you could see from the start, it was inconsistent as fuck. Inconsistent. It would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, then 1, then 2, then 2, then 1, then 2, then inconsistent as fuck. Inconsistent, 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 inconsistent. Then July, I started to realize more, and I started to pick up on a lot of the pieces, and I was like, okay, this shit's starting to make a lot more sense. Then this August, or not this August, last August, while backtesting, doing good as fuck. So a lot of this shit is starting to make sense, and the pieces are clicking. Now I just need more. I need more live market time. But yeah, let's get back to backtesting. I'm actually gonna go grab water. I'm gonna let my phone charge a bit. I'm parched as fuck. How do I pause this? How do I pause this? But I'll just leave this. I'm gonna go get water. Can I add like a text on the screen or some shit? Brother. Welcome back. Yeah, bro. I don't know who, bro. I got invited to do a co-host and I joined it. Bro, I was just it was not I was not trying to do that. How do I add a text? Dog, I don't know how to add a text. I'll just pin it. I'll just fucking comment and pin it. Getting water. Be right back. I also got to add my Alright, there we go. back and shit. Let me unpause the live. Resume. We're back. Now let me comment. What was I gonna say? Oh, join YouTube live stream at Whip Trades. Now let me pin this. Alright, type shit. Shit. And there we go. There we go. Let's so we have 9:15 news that day. Am I bleeding? What the hell? Anthony's still in the live. And type the wilting rose emoji if you're still in the YouTube live stream. Yeah, so would have taken full profits. Alright, that's not the wilted rose, but word. We're looking for this. There you go. TSPMO. Bro, I got another co-host invite, bro. I'm not joining you. Don't show. Decline. I'm not trying to... Weird as hell, brother. Weird as hell. Yo, Ant, join the TikTok live and start spamming it. Spam it with likes. I need those likes. Still could reverse off of this. Could reverse off of that. We had you pumping before. Dead ass. Dead ass. I think I killed that fly. Shit. I type. Now I can. It's better. So we already took Asia lows in London live. London. Wait. We don't. Wait. Jesus. Gotta drive home. Word. Anthony joined. Brother. Over here listening. Oh, you're driving right now? While I'm doing. You're just listening? That's crazy. Is crazy. So we got the London highs right here that were already swept, creating a higher high. It's definitely a higher time frame SMT, unless we have a different higher time frame SMT, which no, we don't. Damn, already 241. Yeah. Dog, that's crazy. So we got, let's look at the 15-minute effect. Just barely taking, not even, barely missing London highs while we take London highs on the NASDAQ or ES. Alright, 9:30. So we took London highs. Bro, I don't know why it does that. I'm going down to the 30-second. Back up to the 5. Dog. Why does it do that? Doesn't do it on this shit. We have this. Looks like we're respecting this for a value gap. Yeah. Wicked above it. Let's go down to the 5-minute. Sweep of liquidity most likely, or we could just be inversing it, which it kind of seems like we inversed it and then we started to respect the inverse. Let's go back to the 5-minute on this. Shit. So we took London highs. We have London lows. Fuck these London highs. On the NASDAQ, we're respecting the fair value gap, while on ES, we're not. Or we could be respecting it on the higher time frame. But, yeah, we'll just wait and see. Oh, so we have an SMT from these lows to these lows, and these lows to these lows. Damn, 1.7K already? Holy shit! Dog, that's insane. So we have an SMT off market open. Even better SMT. Yeah, I think we're gonna inverse it. So we inverse this. Gonna inverse this. I could already tell. Focusing on ES here, so I don't really need to see NASDAQ. Yeah, so we inversed it on the 5-minute. Let's get some draws on liquidity going. Here's 1. Here's 2. And then, shit, I can just let it run to all-time highs pretty much. So right as we inversed it, showing bearish or a bullish sign. What the fuck is this? Oh, there's, okay, wait, yeah. Fuck that. Already, I could kind of see where it is, like right above here. So yeah, we inverse this 5-minute. EQ of the range here to there. So we get a tap in, get another tap in, buy power out of it. NASDAQ is just going lower, while ES is going higher. Is there a higher time frame SMP that I'm missing? Brother, why am I on the 4-hour? Jesus, 2.7K. That's insane. I think we already completed that SMT from this high to there and here to here. We already completed it with this move down. Yeah, I'm feeling I'm just gonna go with it. I'm just gonna go with it. Let's go back to the 1 minute on ES. Let's get buy power out. Let's make sure we didn't inverse the inverse. Alright, this might be where I want to enter. It's still early into the market. It's only 9:40. We'll wait a bit. Let's go on a 5 minute on this. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go in. My stop loss underneath the fair value gap. And then my full take profit at all-time highs. Because we were just bull running pretty much. I mean, besides here, we dipped. We took out London highs off rip. So, I mean, shit, we could be going lower. Hold on, let me do a whole new analysis. No, I can't. I shouldn't. Because if I'm bullish in the market, I gotta just execute. I can't sit around and do this. So, save. Time I enter, 9:42. Pretty early into the market. This isn't really a time that I would enter, but it's backtesting, so it doesn't really fucking matter. 1 to 4, 4.15. 15 RR. 500.01. SMT plus EQ plus inverse fair value gap, stop loss under inverse, TP all time highs. Okay, see if I get fucking touched aggressively or my take profits get touched aggressively. Feeling confident in this because we have the SMT, we have those high or these liquidities, these are some big ass pools of liquidity because we have big candle to the upside or big wick to the upside, big wick to the upside. So did I move my shit? No, I didn't. Okay, wait, did I move it? No. So let's see. This is TP1. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. Unless we get big time reversal. Yeah, no, I got stopped out. Yeah, this is not a good time for me to enter. It was real early into the market, but it's back testing, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, a little bit. Damn. What did I? So let's see, because this is around the time where I would be getting into a trade. So let's look, because I could probably get into another trade. We do have London lows down here that we might or we could want to sweep. How long you been trading? I've been learning for about like 5 months, but I was focusing more on Forex for the first like 3 months, and I just not recently, but like on my here I'll hold on my YouTube, because don't mind that. I started learning literally like about a month ago, a little over a month ago. So I started learning futures or just focusing more on futures about a month ago. A little over. Fuck with ICT Silver Bullet. I don't like ICT. I fuck with his concepts and all, but hold on, I don't want to add on hours to it, but I don't fuck with ICT himself. He's insane. He's crazy. He's not all there in the head. His concepts work. I use his concepts. I use ICT concepts. His shit does work, but he himself is he wildin'. He is. Bro, I saw a video, bro. He does like he can't trade. He can't trade for shit. It's crazy. I watch other people same like TJR, PB trades. PB trades and fucking TJR are like my main two pretty much right now. But I do fuck with trade with Psy. We're trading by Psy. Damn. Who else? Oh shit, I don't really remember their names. Cole Trades. I fuck with him. Alright, enough yapping. Let's get back into the fucking market. So, we are respecting this hourly fair value gap. Cold trades, yeah. Fire, that is. So, yeah, this fair value gap's getting respected. Should have seen it on that. Let's see. Let us see. Unless we disrespect it, like right here, because 10 a.m. candles about to form. Okay. 10 a.m. So we disrespected it. But we respected it on NASDAQ. Is there a high time frame SMT? I mean, yeah, pretty much. But yeah, we got a high time frame SMT pretty much. And it looks like we're gonna create from London lows to here pretty much. How am I live right now without 1,000 followers? Dude, I don't even know. They changed that? I'm pretty sure. I don't even know. I just went live on I went live on my computer on TikTok once. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know. Damn, mad people are joining. 4.6k likes. Jesus, brother. Holy shit. So, we did disrespect it. I want to be focusing more on ES because NASDAQ is, for my bullish bias, I'm going to stick with ES. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Actually, let's go look at the 5 minute. So, like, bruh, we inverse the fair value gap. Then we inverse it again. What the fuck? Inversion, tap back in. Alright, I think I'm just gonna stick with my bullish bias. Let's see this get inverse. For me to be bullish. Alright, no, so we're not gonna inverse it. Let's see more of a push down. And I could pull up EQ. I mean, we do have this as of right now. 30-second fair value. Oh my gosh. 30-second fair value gap. Let's see sell power. Sell power out of it. Bang. And I'm aiming for London lows. Who's calling me? Oh. Hold on, I'm getting a call. I got a call for work. I've got work Thursday. So we have 15-minute lows, 15-minute lows, 15-minute lows, 4 TPs. Do we have a 5-minute break of structure? I'm going to go get eats, then backtest after. Word, if you want to get in a Discord, let me know. Or if you want to hop on the live with me, let me know. So, yeah, okay. Let's see what my first TP's risk reward would be. On what though? TikTok. I can co-host with you. Alright, let me de-risk for this one. Do we have a higher time frame SMT? No, not really. Actually, no, not at all. We don't have a higher time frame SMT, so I mean, we could just be filling out this SMT. The rest of this. We have this from here to here. And this from shit. Wait, where is it? Here to here. Thanks for the follow. Much appreciated. Alright, so we have a 30-second fair value gap. And 1 minute EQ. So let me write this down because I'm already in the trade. So, where do I write this? Already right here. 10:05. So the risk reward 1 to like 4.69. Oh my god, no fucking way. That's insane. I'll appreciate the follow. 250 risk. Alright, let's let this play out now. Dog, I'm gonna get stopped out. Y'all ready? Bang, I got stopped out. Home will catch up with you. Good luck. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Keep going with this. This will pay off eventually. Shouldn't have gone against my bias, but it's whatever. I'm only backtesting, and I was due for a loss. I was due for a loss, bro. I had a fucking whole week win streak on this, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna run with it. But we'll see what if my original bias was correct, and yeah. So we shot up. Good thing I took out. We came back down, swept this liquidity, and then shot back up to my TP1, TP2, TP3, and took all-time highs. Damn. Hold on, I gotta pull up ES. So we had that SMT from why am I on the 1 minute? So we were due to go down and tap into these. We had this fucking 0.22% move down, bro. That's crazy. Why does it say community flag? Filter? Community, I don't care. Community flag comments, I don't care. Y'all can say whatever the fuck you want in here. Just don't get me banned. Alright, but yeah, whatever. So, we had that SMT. We needed to go fill out these orders. Let me guess. Did we tap into like a fair value gap or some shit on like the higher time frame? No, we didn't. We did not. But we tapped into this, no, we didn't. No. We did not tap into shit. We did not tap into shit. But, my original bias was correct, so that's something I need to do. I just need to stick to my bias. Got a problem with just fucking going off my bias. Oh, so we didn't even take all-time highs. Where the fuck are all-time highs? Dog. I guess I never even had fucking all-time highs marked out. Okay. That's weird as hell. Unless they're... No. No, I didn't have all-time highs marked out. How long have I been live? An hour? Jeez, it doesn't feel like it, bro. It feels like I've only been doing this shit for like 10 minutes. Still have those highs that we could take. We are on a bull run right now. We're close to all-time highs on ES, but on NASDAQ we're not. So that's that. Market highs and lows. Oh, wait, let me actually skip to market open. Alright, market open. Oh. We have London highs. London highs. Do we sweep? Looks like we're gonna sweep Asia lows. We already took Asia lows on NASDAQ, but not on ES. We have this fair value gap right here. Probably most definitely a higher time frame. Yeah. Right here, and then probably same on here. Yeah, we're already touching into the high time frame. Fair value gap. Scroll down to the 15-minute. Wait, I didn't even mark these. Asia lows. Hold on, what's the news looking like tomorrow? We have 8:30. Alright. What? Thursday. That's nice. That's nice. I'm definitely not. Most likely not gonna. What backtesting site is that? FX Replay. I have the pro shit, so I can backtest the mini futures. But damn, we got OD news on fucking Thursday. Friday, there's no news. Alright, that's valid. That is valid. That is valid. Yeah, FX Replay is valid as hell. Not gonna lie. But if you want to do backtest battles, I would use Chart Champs. Chart Champs is valid for that. Oh, so we're bullish on both time frames. Actually, we have a high time frame biggest structure right here. Probably same on here. Yeah, right here. Biggest structure, but I'm not gonna let that influence my bias because I'm still bullish. We are tapping into this 15, so I can bring it down. Rebalance that 15. Could rebalance this 15 on ES. Do we have a 15-minute SMT? Oh, we do. We do actually. Got some manipulation right here. So we could just be completing the move now, which it looks like we are. So I'm gonna look for I'm not gonna affect my bias with that. Oh, but even here we have a fucking bearish or bullish SMT from this low to this low, and on ES from this low to this low, but it is what it is. What I would like to see is an actual bullish SMT form. We got to touch and be swept Asia lows on ES. Do we have a 5-minute inverse? Yeah, we do, but it's real small. Size doesn't matter. Dog. I don't care about meme coins. I don't care about no fucking meme coins. Inversion. Yeah, I think I'm gonna focus on ES for this one. Because we have this here to there. So we completed this SMT, formed a new SMT. Alright, yeah. Focusing on ES. Let's wait for like 950 to pop around. So 950 is about to come around. We have this whole fair value gap we can come fill. Use inverse fair value gaps as like confirmation that we're, I mean, you can also use it as a break structure pretty much. Because like you see right here, bruh, he literally just fucking bull run up. So yeah, we already took my first TP. Alright, let's look for a tap into here and also like some, yeah, there's some shit like this going on. You already took both my TPs, so don't know about this, but just keep it to like a 1-to-1 because these are like all time. Oh, these are London highs. Wait. Holy shit, all-time highs are all the way up there. Damn, I thought they were closer, not gonna lie. Just keep it to 1-to-1. Take London highs and then just fucking reversal or some shit. And I'll de-risk. I'll do like I'll just stick to like 250. Actually, let's wait. Let's reevaluate. So, do we have an SMT at the lows of this? I know we got an SMT. Well, we did sweep London or Asia lows. All right, yeah. I'm sticking to this. We could go. We definitely could go higher. Let me look for fucking hour liquidity. So we have this hourly. Shit. This hourly. And this hourly. And then we have all-time highs. I mean, shit. If I'm gonna do that, then I'll definitely move my stop loss a bit more. Cause, bro, that's definitely like a fucking 1 to fucking, yeah. 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 I don't really know. I don't really know about this one. Let's look for his. Okay, so we could just reverse off of this 30-minute, actually. Let me have it right here. This is a 30-minute. Oh, we already tapped into it. Okay. Alright, well that shit don't even matter. I guess I'll just take a 1-to-1. Or like 1 to, yeah, like 1 to fucking, not 1 to 9. 1-to-1, or like 1 to, close to 1-to-1. Nah, let's wait. Let's see what happens. Alright, yeah, I'm entering. And I'll have my take profit or my stop loss underneath the fair value gap, like right there, 1 to 1.5. Because we got buy power out of it, we got a doji, and we're getting, yeah, so. Wait. Oh, we're Tuesday, no news. 8, 20, 24. Tuesday. No news. I know a lot of people don't fuck with no news. But me personally, I like no news. Because it's, for me at least, I find it, I trade better when there's no news. 9:53. 1 to 1.250. Yeah, we're nowhere near London highs on this, so I think we're gonna bull run and just take profits at gonna break even here. So we're pretty much, actually I'll just take full profits. I don't even gotta break even. Yeah, so that was a small trade just to get my losses, some of my losses back. 9.55. But we very well could bull run all the way up to these all the way to those highs that I have marked. Did I even, bruh, holy shit, I forgot I'm on the fucking 1 minute. Did I mark out that fact? No, I don't even think I did. Let's go back. Okay, I guess it's all the way there. Let's see though. I want to see if I could spot where price is gonna like reverse off of. Inverse. Ooh, so we have this inversion right there. We could easily just go up and take all of those highs. But let's oh shit. See what my risk reward would have been. 1 to like 4, yeah. Alright, but it's whatever. Probably get into another trade. So we're still haven't taken London highs yet on the NASDAQ, but on ES we already did. So we could definitely go up. So this shit's a game of possibilities. Ooh, big dumpage. Big as dumpage. Stepping into a fair value gap on the 5 minute. Get some buy power out. Is my shit still pinned? Comments. Damn, y'all can see just everything on the floor. Live on YouTube at Whips or Whip Trades. Pin. Bang. It only lasts for fucking 56 seconds, bro. That's dumb. Bruh. their SRD. Alright, whatever. Live on YouTube if y'all want to join in. Or if you guys want to see some shit like this. Oh. Bruh. My shit's at fucking 9%, bro. I'm gonna have to end the live. I'm gonna have to charge my phone. Oh shit, did I even write down how much I won? No, I didn't. Fuck, where were London highs? Right there. So I didn't write down how much I made, but I wrote down what time it fucking closed. Alright, whatever. 375. No partials needed. Could easily from here to there. Tap in. Let's get buy power out if I'm gonna take another trade. Let's get a candle closure out of it. Out of the EQ. If I'm gonna take another trade. Doesn't look like we're gonna get buy power out. Yeah, we're gonna sell power. So we probably inverse this on the 5. Oh, not yet. We could be tapping into this whole thing. Unless we just swept. No, we didn't sweep. Oh yeah, we ain't sweep. You know, we got a candle closure above it, but we didn't take London highs. So we pretty much formed a bearish SMT. If I'm not mistaken. I don't want to be on NASDAQ. Actually, NASDAQ is the leading index, so I would want to be on NASDAQ. If I'm going to take a sell order, probably just have my shit right at this fair value gap. Let me get rid of this. So we respected it and then we got up. So let's go down to the 1 minute. This would be pretty much scalping if I'm... Alright, well, we already took. So if I wanted to take another order, it would be from here to here. We entered into the fair value gap. Into the EQ. And then off of this buy power out. Stop loss above the fair value gap. Take profit there. TP1 right here. Yeah, tight. Alright, well, I already got a winning day on this day, so I'm gonna move on. 1, 2. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what happened. So we did tap into this fair value gap. So I probably could have I could have caught the trade. Let's check the 5 minute actually. Yeah, I definitely could have caught a trade right then and there. Because we inversed this on this candle, and if we go down to the 1 minute, I don't know if you guys just saw, we had this bit of an SMT form. We have EQ of this range from here to here. Then we have a fair value gap in here. Could have held to here. Reversal point. touch back into the reversal point, and then yeah, we're gonna go up. We're most likely gonna go up. Let's go to the hourly, and let's go 6 a.m. $9:30 market open. Did I get rid of all? No. Oh, brother, I don't need all these. Bruh. Do not show. I'm not trying to get another co-host on this, bro. Just doing this on my own. I don't need nobody else. All I need is myself. Can I get rid of these? Bro. Once I hit the like 2-hour mark, or shit, my phone's gonna die soon actually. So I gotta plug that bitch in. So we swept London low, or not London, Asia lows. Brother, what? Detective inactivity. Dog, can you not see I'm fucking backtesting? Oh, now my phone wants to be all weird. So yeah, we got... Hold on, let me see something real quick. To the dot. See what time. These shits. So 2 a.m. on the dot. And what, like 8 a.m. on the dot. Type shit. Prelim this day. Let me write this down. 8:21. You use funded? No, not yet. I'm back testing right now. And I use a paper trading account demo on HeroFX. And I make that clear in pretty much all my posts. So before anybody tries and gets on my ass, I do not claim I am profitable. Wait, what? What you said that you've been using? I was using TradingView, Jesus, holy shit, I'm actually like dyslexic. But I've been using shit connected recently. So I look at the charts on TradingView because it's more accurate. But I trade off of my phone on TradeLocker. So I'll pull up my TradeLocker real quick. As you can see, I started with a 50K. I'm up 1.4K. TradeLocker bet, yeah. So I'm using a funded account right now, but TradeLocker, it's a bit annoying, so that's why I don't trade directly on it. I just have it up on my phone. But I have a TradingView pulled up on my laptop, or not laptop, my PC. What strat do you use? I use TJR's strat. The one he explained in the 9-hour video. And the one he talked about in, what is it? What video? One of the most recent videos. The one where he talks about how he made like $500,000 or some shit, or more, like $1 million in like 6 months or some shit. That's the strat I use. So like, you look for a liquidity sweep. then break a structure, and just add confluences onto that. So, I mean, this shit works pretty well. Have you done crypto before? I invest in crypto, but I don't trade crypto like that. You can see, once I started to apply the strat and like actually use it like smartly, I'll start from the beginning. This was, or wait, yeah. So, shitty, very inconsistent, but I was still making some profits, but I was losing them like that. Same with here, but I started incorporating break even. This is FX replay. This isn't real and shit. This is well, it's real, but like it's just implementing strategy. I used to help mod a few projects, etc. But the space is filled with disgusting people. To be honest, really. No, dog. I'm not really big into like crypto, but like I've thrown some money in and shit. I throw most of my money into XRP because I'm pretty much banking on it going to $6 or $10. But yeah, I got like 1,000 bands in it, or not 1,000 bands, like one band in it, $1,000 in it. But yeah. Yeah, nah. But once I started to like actually apply myself, or not apply my, but yeah, pretty much apply myself and be more disciplined. I had a lot more green days. So, shit, my phone's at 5. Literally by this, like the last month, or was it the last month? Yeah, the last month before this, in backtesting, pretty good. This month in backtesting, even better. I'm just taking trades and whatnot. How long have you been paper trading, and have you tried a combine yet? So I've been paper trading on this account, or yeah, the trading locker account, for about like a little over a month. Or it's been probably like a month on the dot. Cuz I started September 1st. It's been over a month since then, obviously. So yeah, pretty much like a month in. Every trade I take has been posted on my YouTube channel and whatnot. So I'll pull that up right now, actually, just so I can get it on the dot. Because I originally started with Forex. Live Forex trading. But then I just decided to switch to E-minis. Literally, this was the last day I even looked at Forex, August 29th. And I started here. And no, I haven't used a combine yet. I plan on getting into funded accounts by 2026, honestly, just so that I have a lot of experience, and I'm like have a strategy down, have this strategy down completely, and it's like mechanically, like I could just do it. I could spot it, and I could be like, oh shit, here's that, there's that, blah blah blah, bang, execute. So yeah, but like 2026 is my year. 2026 is my year. Putting all my time and effort into this shit. And bro, I had some guy comment on my TikTok, or not TikTok. Yeah, that's fair. I did a combine and passed eval, but I decided not to spend the 150 on it. Yeah. That's the thing, bro. I gotta like stack up more paper before I start throwing money. I mean, I got paper, but like I need to stack up more paper so that I could just fucking chuck it in activation, because I had only been practicing for like a month and was going too quick. Yeah. I feel like I need more time. Like I've thought about getting a funded account and just fucking doing it, but like at the same time, I don't want to blow it instantly, because knowing me, I'm gonna be like, oh shit. So I'm just building more discipline with this demo account, and I'm building more confidence while backtesting. So yeah, that's that. But eventually, by 2026, I'm gonna start using funded accounts. My phone is at 4%, bro. Let me plug this shit in, bro. I'm just gonna flip my camera around. How the fuck do I do this? Flip camera. Damn. My hair looks crazy. That's insane. Let me put this shit back on. Nah, but yeah. I gotta let my phone charge and shit now. So if I want to continue streaming. Or I could probably like pull this shit up and do some shit like this. Have it up on my mic. But that shit gonna be... Yeah, nah, this shit. I mean, yeah, it could work, but that shit's in the way of just everything right now. I might have to end stream early, not gonna lie. This shit, I mean, it works. You guys could probably see. I mean, yeah, you guys can, but it's a little bit cooked. That's ID. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna let my phone charge, and I'll probably hop back on stream. I'm gonna say I'm still streaming on YouTube. If you guys want to pop into the YouTube and shit, I'll be streaming on there for now and just let my phone charge. So if you're from the TikTok, hop in and get a little chat in. So yeah, that's that. But I'll catch y'all guys. I'll probably be live later. So peace out. Let's see. Got 4 followers from that bit. Let me turn off this fucking screen mirror. It's just making my phone lag. Let me X out of this. Let me X out of this. Let me have this shit pulled up right here. Type. Let me repost this TikTok, bro. So I get more viewers in this hoe. But it seems like TikTok's probably the way to go. I'm just silent. Oh, I need a better song for this. Some Osama Sun. Bro, I got water and I haven't even drunk any. Dog. I wish I was able to go live at the same time on both, actually, I probably could. I might be able to. But, I'll just do it as a bit of a test. I should probably start live streaming more, honestly. Bro, I got fucking 4 followers out of that. If I want to grow more. Hold on, let's actually see something real quick. Because as I was looking at this, I saw someone commented or some shit. I got a notification. What exactly is your model? I don't have an exact model. I'll respond to that then. Is that how you spell precise? Guess so. Dude, that name looks so familiar. That's crazy. Is that how you spell confluences? Confluences. Then wait for I don't have a precise model. I use TGR strat liquidity sweep, then break instruction followed by one or more confluences, then wait for confluence to get hit with buying or selling power out of those out of confluences. Target high time frame liquidity. Bang! Bang! Bang, bang, bang. That's my shits. I'm still live. Let's get a liveception up in here. Nobody's even in here. But it do be what it do be. It do be what it do be. I think I might just end it here, not gonna lie, because I'm feeling a bit burnt out. But I'll probably go live later when my phone's charged, or I might just go live on TikTok or some shit. But yeah, peace out.